Hello! Today I'm going to be showcasing this lovely build slash command block machine that allows you to pay diamonds to keep your inventory when you die. This entire thing is fully customizable and you can do whatever you want with it. It doesn't have to be diamonds, or you can change the price to whatever you want. But anyways, let's get right into how to build this. Actually, before we talk about how to build it, let's just show how it works. So if I died right now, there we go, I get slash killed, I dropped all my items, and if you died to lava or something like that, all your items would burn. Not very fun. So let's go over to this little machine here. It says insert diamonds for keep inventory. So we're going to do that. We're going to take 5 diamonds. We're just going to insert it into there. The chest gets deleted and the sign changes to say, thank you, your items will be saved on your next death. Let's do that. Slash kill. And it says in the chat, items successfully saved. And you can see I still have all of my items. Now I don't actually have any armor on or whatever, but it would save all of it. And then the chest resets and it says again, insert diamonds for keep inventory. And if I died again, you would see I would drop my items again because it only lasts for 1 death. So this is how to make it. So let's go ahead and show you over here. There's only actually a few command blocks that we have. I have these 3 blocks here. One of them is the sign that says insert diamonds. The other one is the sign that says thank you. The last block over here is a chest with 5 diamonds in it. This is only 9 commands for this machine. So the first thing I want to show is how it actually detects putting the 5 diamonds in, because as soon as I can put 5 here, like, it has to be in the right slot and the chest goes away. How does that happen? Well, the first command is always active. And it's a repeat command block. It will be active all the time. It's basically comparing, well, the chest to this block. If they're the same, this will activate. If they're not, it won't. The reason why this works is because these are actually conditional chain command blocks. This one clones this sign over to where the sign is supposed to be, and this block sets the chest to air. And then the last command of this is setting the game rule keep inventory to true. Now this could be anything. Say I didn't want this to be keep inventory true, so I could insert something like this. And so once I insert the 5 diamonds, instead of activating keep inventory, it will just stay in the chat, thank you for your diamonds, and the keep inventory command did not activate. And then our other line of command blocks here is for, well, the other part of this, when you actually die. So this first command is basically testing for if you've died. So I set a scoreboard, which is slash scoreboard objectives, add, call it whatever you want, and then death count. And so your scoreboard will go up every time you die. And this is testing for once your death count gets set to 1, it will run the command keep inventory false. And then these are, again, conditional chain command blocks. These will only happen once this is successful. So basically once you die, then it will reset your scoreboard, and that'll basically just reset it back to 0, so that this could be used multiple times. Then it sets a chest right to where it should be. It clones this sign back to where it should be. This is just extra. This is what I like to add, just something in chat to say your items have been saved, and then you could say something like thank you for using this service. But this is completely optional, and so are these signs. I just think it looks a whole lot nicer. But also you can set this to whatever you want. It doesn't have to just be 5 diamonds. I can make it 10. If I go over here, 5 doesn't work anymore. You have to put 10 in. Or we could even do 10 diamond blocks. That's like 90 diamonds. We put 10 diamond blocks into there, and then it will work. So if you put it in the top left instead of the middle, you'll be able to shift click the item in. And so if I had 10 diamond blocks, I can just shift click them in, and it'll go in just fine. Everyone plays Minecraft differently. If you're one to want a survival world but feel comfortable with adding some commands, adding some structures to make life a little easier and not lose all of your items, then go ahead. I will put all of the commands from this build in the description down below if you would like to use this in your own worlds. Anyways, that is it for this build. This is something haven't really ever done before. Let me know if you'd be interested in me showing more command block creations or other fun things that you can do that will work well in a creative / survival world. And with that, I'll see you another time, hopefully.